Welcome to the demonstration of NetSuite, Part 1 from Beam Online. Go to beamonline.com.au for further information. What you can see here is a dashboard for a CEO. These dashboards can be configured by the user. And you can see here we have key performance indicators, top 5 customers by sales, KPI meters, and so forth. If I go to my key performance indicators, I may, for example, want to look at this figure here, which is for sales orders in the current column. I can actually drill down and see what is made up of that particular KPI. I can then come to Accounts Inc. here and actually drill down on that amount to see the sales orders that make up that figure. And then I can drill right down to the source document. Being a true cloud solution, you'll notice here I can use all the browser technology, like going backwards here through each of the screens. And then it takes me right back to the home dashboard. Another example of that is, say for example, receivables. I can click on this figure here, see the age summary, and then drill down to the source documents. You notice on all the reports, you can export out to Word, Excel, PDF, and CSV technology. You can also very easily customize these reports through point and click technology. If I just click on the Customize button here, I may, for example, want to add the sales rep onto the report. Just type in sales rep in the search fields, pick up the sales rep. I then, for example, may want to move this column to the left. So just moving it left there. I'm now going to sort on sales rep. So if I preview this report now, you can see I've very easily added the ability to sort by sales rep on this report. I can then publish this to anyone's dashboard throughout the organization, and obviously continue to reuse this report with all the standard capabilities of reporting. Going on the income field here and the current value, you'll notice here through the columns, I can easily slice and dice my data. For example, I may want to see it by class and its hierarchies. You can see now there are the individual hierarchies and a total. Once again, I've got my drill down capabilities. You notice too here, I can go and run this report on different period criterias, as well as got the ability to put in a custom date. The system holds unlimited years of information. I can email these reports, and I can also schedule these reports. You'll notice too on the dashboards, I've got what we call reminders, which allow me to automate my business processes. These can be configured by the user, as well as you get standard ones out of the box. So for example, if I want to look at the calls that I have overdue, you can see here I have 7 calls overdue. These are like KPIs. So if I click on this one here, I can now actually go into here and review my calls that I need to make. You notice too with online editing, I can actually go in and actually make changes to the fields without having to drill into each particular communication. Another example is if I go to my overdue invoices. You can see currently here I have 450 of them. Once again, I can drill right down to the source document of that particular overdue invoice. And from there, I can even add additional communications and what I actually discussed with the customer. I can easily do these actions on the fly and record them right to the particular invoice that I'm talking about. You notice I've got inbuilt email capabilities as well. And just one final example. Here I've got 139 orders to fulfill. If I click on here, you can see very easily, I can see the orders to fulfill. I have full filtering capabilities, but I can customize this to add additional filters or fields. And I can easily go into each order to confirm what I need to fulfill, or obviously tick the appropriate orders that I need to fulfill, and then hit the submit button. So as you can see here, it's very easy to automate your business processes. You notice too, up in the left-hand corner here, I can just go to my most recent records to grab recent processes that I've been working on. I can also at any stage go right-click and open that particular document on a new page, or it could be a new process that I'm going to do. So I can have multiple tabs of information. So for example, if I'm looking up items, I can just open that in a new tab. You can see here now I've got multiple tabs of information. Once again, being a true cloud solution, I can utilize this browser technology to do these kinds of functions. This concludes part 1 of the demonstration. Thank you for watching.